Welcome aboard the Enchantment of the Seas. Join us as we tour an interior stateroom. On our recent 5-day Caribbean cruise, we stayed in an interior stateroom. While we liked the size of the room, it was in desperate need of some updates. There was a large king-size bed that can be converted into 2 twin beds if needed, and each side of the bed had a nightstand with storage and a wall light that included a USB outlet. Next to the bed is a desk and vanity area with a TV, plenty of mirrors, and drawers. Under the mirror were 2 US outlets and 2 European outlets. The closet was decently sized with plenty of hangers, and there were also 3 drawers in the closet too. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful cruise content. The bathroom was pretty typical in size, but we really did not love the shower curtain at all. In fact, we really did not like using the shower. Don't look too closely. They offered body wash, so make sure to bring your own shampoo and conditioner. Surprisingly, there was a lot of storage in the bathroom, though. Overall, this room needs some help, but if you're looking for a cheap way to get on a cruise, this is a way to do that. Would you stay in this room? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.